Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pumpkin spiced hot chocolate. This is a fantastic drink to warm you up on those cold October mornings. It's really simple to make. It does take a little bit of time, but it's definitely worth it. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Now this recipe is going to yield us about 12 servings. So if you need more than that, make sure you double or triple the recipe. If you need less, make sure you cut it in half. But we are going to need 24 ounces of milk chocolate chips, a quarter cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a quarter cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, and I do have a recipe for that. Save yourself the trouble from going to the store and picking it up. They're always sold out. Make it yourself, it's better. And we're also going to need 1 gallon of whole milk. Now we're going to be making this in the crock pot, so we're just going to take all of our ingredients, go right into our crock pot. We're going to turn this on high and we're going to let it go for about 2 hours, stirring it occasionally. Our pumpkin spice hot chocolate is done. It's looking amazing. The house smells like fall. I absolutely love it. Let's get ourselves a glass. I'm going to fill my mug up about halfway. Dump some down the side. Hands are a little shaky. Just make sure we clean up our mess as we go. That looks good. Right down the cutting board, the edge of our mug. Hit it with a little bit of whipped cream. A couple marshmallows. Give it a little dusting of more cocoa powder. There you have it. That looks great. Let's get a taste. Alright, cheers. Be very careful, this is hot. That's so good. Probably have whipped cream all through my beard. It's very rich. The pumpkin spice comes through. It's a great way to warm up on those cold fall days when kids are out playing outside or whatever. This is a fantastic drink. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, head on over and check out my other channel. It's called Tagged Out. I'll have a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.